Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Section 11, Torthaí spóirt. Sports results with an emphasis on éisteacht, listening. Torthaí spóirt. Le múna, na hibreacha anáid go dtí de, with a focus on éisteacht, listening. Torthaí spóirt, sports results. For this activity, you'll need the handout Torthaí spóirt. We're going to listen to some Gaelic football results on a sound clip. In Gaelic football, you score by putting the ball over the crossbar or in the goal using either your foot or fist. You score 1 point if it's over the crossbar and between the poles, or 3 points for a goal under the bar and into the net. At the end of the game, they tally up the goals and points to find the final score. So when you hear the score, you will hear 2 numbers for each team. Write down both of the numbers. Scríobh amach na torthaí pelle a chaiseann tú sa bhíor. Write out the sports results you hear on the sound clip. First, we'll go through the names of the counties. Iveraghain, number 1, Bualadh, Dublin, Dira, Derry. Iveragh, Donegal, Donegal, Gaeilge, Galway. Iveragh, number 3, Kirkig, Cork, Sligo, Sligo. Iveragh, number 4, Laois, Laois, Monaghan, Monaghan. Iveragh, Leitrim, Leitrim, Roscommon, Roscommon. Iveragh, number 6, Mayo, Mayo, and Clare, Clare.
Torthaí spóirt. Seo torthaí pelle an laghiniu. Baile clia hína dó, dire hína hían. Donegal a náid dó, Gaeilge hína trí. Corcaigh a náid cúig, Sligo a náid sé. Laois a hína 7, Monaghan a náid 4. Leitrim a náid 3, Roscommon a náid 5. Mayo a náid 8, and Clare a náid 2. Torthaí spóirt. Seo torthaí pelle an laghiniu. Baile clia hína dó, dire hína hían. Donegal a náid dó, Gaeilge hína trí. Corcaigh a náid 5, Sligo a náid 6. Laois a hína 7, Monaghan a náid 4. Leitrim a náid 3, Roscommon a náid 5. Mayo a náid 8, and Clare a náid 2.
Torthaí spóirt.
Seo torthaí pelle an lae inniu. Baile clia hína dó, dire hína hían. Dún an gáil a náid dó, Gaeilge hína trí. Corcaigh a náid cúig, slíogach a náid sé. Lís a hína seacht, buíochas a náid ceathair. Léitrim a náid trí, Roscamáin a náid cúig. Buíoch a náid hocht, an clár a náid dó.
Torthaí spóirt, ciaríní. Sports results, crests. Tá ciarín ag gach cúnta in Éireann. Each county in Ireland has a crest. Bíonn ciarín an chunta le feiceáil ar gheansaí an chunta. The county crest can be seen on the county's jerseys. Buine na ciaríní seo a leanas le cuid na cúntathe atá luaite sa gníomhaíocht Torthaí spóirt. The following crests are some of the counties that were mentioned in the activity Torthaí spóirt, sports results. Tá hill ólais bu chiaríní na gúntathe ar fáil ar na suíomhanna atá luaite ar deireadh an aonad. There's more information about the county crests and coats of arms to be found on the websites mentioned at the end of the unit. So the crests on the football jerseys are often based on the county crests, and those often have symbols that stand for the rich historical history of the county or historical landmarks. For example, Limerick's crest has Cloch an Cornatha, the Treaty Stone agus Cashlan Rí Owen, St. John's Castle on it. Shahiad Cuidan a Ciaríní. Here we have some of the county crests: An Clár, Clare, Gaeilge, Galway, Sliogach, Sligo, Leitrim, Leitrim, Bualadh, Dublin, Donegal, Donegal, Dira, Derry, and Corcaigh, Cork. I'm going to repeat them one more time and have you say them after me. An Clár, Gaeilge, Sliogach, Leitrim, Bualadh, Donegal, Dira, Corcaigh. Bualadh a héinteag, Torthaí spóirt, ciaríní, léitheoireacht. For the next activity, you'll need your handout, Torthaí spóirt, ciaríní, léitheoireacht. Torthaí spóirt, ciaríní, léitheoireacht. Sports results, crests. Reading. Lay amach an score a fuair na cúntathe seo a leanas. Read out the scores the following counties got. First read the name and then read the score. Mar hampla, Gaeilge, a hain a cúig. You'll need the handout, Torthaí spóirt, ciaríní, éisteacht. Sports results for crests, listening activity. Torthaí spóirt, ciaríní, continued, éisteacht, listening. Éist leis an mír agus scríobh síos na scór do na cúntathe seo a leanas. Listen to the sound file and write down the scores of the following counties. Be careful, they're not in the same order. Torthaí spóirt, ciaríní, éisteacht. An chéad líne, the first line. The scores are mixed up, so listen carefully for the county name first. Gaeilge, a hain a cúig. Donegal, a dó an lí. An Clár, a trí a hocht. Corcaigh, a ceathair a seacht. An Dara líne, Bualadh, a dó a seacht. Corcaigh, a chathair a naoi. Sligach, a hain a hocht. Dire, a trí a chuaig. So here we have a picture of the county crests of Ireland, and the football jerseys are based upon these county crests, historical landmarks and events for each county. There's more information about these on the websites listed on the next slide, and there's also a handout list showing with the information on Gaelic football, how it's played and scoring down below. Fragri answers script. Shotpuri Pella on Law and You. Here are today's football results. Iver a hain, Bualadh Clia a hain a dó, number 1. Dublin 1-2, Dira a hain, Derry 1-1. Iver a dó, number 2. Dunangau a nóid a dó, Gaeilge a hain a 3. Donegal 0-2, Galway 1-3. Iver a 3, number 3, Corcaigh a nóid a cuaig, Sligach a nóid a sé. Cork 0-5, Sligo 0-6. Iver a chathair, Laois a hain a seacht, Monaghan a nóid a chathair. Laois 1-7, Monaghan 0-4. Iver a cuaig, number 5, Leitrim a nóid a 3, Roscommon a nóid a cuaig. Leitrim 0-3, Roscommon 0-5. Iver a sé, Muo a nóid a hocht, an chlár a nóid a dó. Mayo 0-8, Clare 0-2. Take a moment to practice reading through these yourself. I'll go through the names of the counties one final time and then give it a try yourself. Bualadh Clia, Dira. Dunangau, Gaeilge. Corcaigh, Sligach. Laois, Monaghan. Leitrim, Roscommon. Muo, an chlár. Torthaí spóirt na hibhreacha a nóid go dtí de, with an emphasis on ag éiste. So we've worked with the numbers 0 to 10 with an emphasis on listening. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.